Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm not buying it. Yes, please excuse the hat. It is Wednesday morning. I just got back in from the dollar store and I'm prepping for my Thanksgiving meal. So I am comfortable. I didn't have time to throw on my face. Like I said on my channel, I try to keep it real. So anyway, let me show you real quick what I picked up at the dollar store. So I went 3 times this week, actually Monday, Tuesday, and again this morning. And I found these lovely Christmas gift tags, you know, that you put on the box or your bag when you're giving out your gifts. So of course, you know, everything I'm going to show you is from the dollar store. Look how cute these are, and you get 24 and no 18 in a pack. That's the front set, and then just doubles on the back. So I thought these were going to be cute to put on the little kids' Christmas gifts. And then I ran over today, and look what I found. It is a egglets contraption, some type of thing. I haven't opened it yet, but it's supposed to pop the egg out when you're doing deviled eggs. It's supposed to boil your deviled eggs, boil your eggs and crack them so you don't have any shells. So I ran and picked this up today, and I thought this is going to help me make my deviled eggs for my platter. So I'm going to open it real quick. And these were only $1. They were not in there all this week, so they must have just put these out. That's why I said you got to go to the dollar store every day, because you never know what's hiding in there. So yeah, so you can put your egg, I guess you put your egg in this, and then you stick it down in the pot, and your eggs come out boiled for you. You're going to have to read the directions on it, but it says it. Once the egg is boiled, you just turn it upside down and just pop the egg out. So we'll see if this will be a hit and miss. I'm going to try it today. If it works pretty good, then I'm going to go back and get 2 more. That way I don't have to keep reusing the same ones if I'm trying to do like a dozen of eggs for my platter. So we'll see how this turns out. I got some to-go containers because my husband, he always takes leftovers for lunch. Get 2 for $1. And then always get the big ones, but today they did not have the lids. So shout out to Miss Amanda at my Dollar Tree. She gave them to me 2 for $1, so I'll just use saran wrap to cover up my leftover ham and turkey in these. I should have probably got like 2 more since they were 2 for $1 for leftovers, but I didn't want to be greedy, so I just got 2 of those. And then I got nice silver containers to get 2 for $1, and this will be good for my brother when he comes to take over his leftover food. I'm still suffering from sinuses, so I have to work today. So I got a B12 shot. This is really good to give you energy throughout the day, and it's also it's no calories and no sugar added. So if you never tried these, try them. They're pretty good, and it does, you know, like I said, give me energy for my day at work. And look what I found. They had the Barbie baby, and this is usually like $4.97 at Walmart. So for $1, I thought this was a pretty good stocking stuffer to put down to go with the collection that we have collected over the summer for Ariana. So $1 got our little baby. And I found my grandson. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait for him to get here. It says Little Prince. Just a little bib for $1. I'm going to start his basket next month. So I'll start getting everything prepared, and I'll take you along when I start shopping for him. And the other day I ran over and I found gorgeous wrapping paper. Dollar Tree has stepped their game up as far as wrapping paper this year. So this is 30 square feet. This is a lot of wrapping paper. Look how long that is. Okay, for $1. And I mean, you could probably wrap a really big gift, or you probably can get maybe 2 gifts in half. So I got it in clear white, and I'm just going to put embellishments like bows and stuff on it. Then I found this Merry Christmas in the green, white, and red. And this is really heavy. You get a lot of paper in this one. You can kind of see on the side. That's what I usually go by when I am purchasing gift wrap, to see how much actually is in the tube. And this was Hallmark. This is from Hallmark, and Walmart sells this brand. I guess this is leftovers from last year, but you get 40 square feet for $1. And then I found, look how cute, the Mickey Mouse in pink. Minnie Mouse. Yep, this is Minnie Mouse. And this is Disney wrapping paper, Expressions from Hallmark, 20 square feet, $1. Now this one, you don't really get that much. It's always for the Disney characters. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to wrap from this, but this goes with us getting back from Disney World in July. So I thought I would wrap a couple gifts in that. And I already opened this one. Look how pretty this gold wrapping paper is. Look how nice that is. And it's, camera really can't show how gold it is on camera, but I thought this was beautiful wrapping paper. I'm gonna go back and get another roll. I meant to get that when I just got in. And then here's an example of it wrapped already. So this is my my little brother's gift already to put under the tree for him. And then I've been scrolling through YouTube, and I've been seeing this Afrocentric lady wreath. So I'm gonna do a video probably after Thanksgiving and see how she turns out. But I went and I got the 2 wreaths already. They didn't have the smaller ones, so when I do the video for this, my ladies will probably be bigger. So I got 2 of these. And then I got the 2 poster boards so I can cut my template out. However, if I do have time, being that I'm off for 4 days this weekend, I have a Cameo Silhouette 3 machine, 3 or 4, that I may pull out because I have some things that I need to embellish for my nephew and for my granddaughter, just to put their name on it and 2019 on the bottom. So if I'm able to do that and share that video with you, I will post it. And then I found the green Chanel, pipe cleaners, and this is going to be part of the tutorial for the Afrocentric doll that I'm inspired to make. So hopefully, it'll turn out great and I'll be able to share it with you. I've seen a lot of DIY videos on there, but I'm going to put my own spin on it, Oh, and one more thing I forgot to show you guys. I went out and I found this fabulous bag. Isn't that pretty? Look at the blue sparkles on it. Like I said, Dollar Tree is really stepping their game up this year with the bags and the gift wrap. Now on the back it does not have the glitter, as you can see, but the front is what drew my attention. So this is going to be nice for my nephew when they come over to pick up their gifts for Christmas. And then I just got plain white boxes. You get 3 in a pack for $1. Now, these boxes are not that strong, but if you don't put anything too heavy in them, they'll be good, you know, for the tendon purposes. And then I found the one in the same size, but it has the images on it, and you get 3 in the pack as well. This saves you wrapping paper if you don't feel like, you know, wrapping up gifts. So I'm gonna do plain so I can wrap, put my own little spin on it, and then 3 boxes with the images, Christmas images on there. And then I found the large ones. Isn't that cute? The snowman. And then they have the reindeer on the back. So this would be something larger, you know, maybe a couple outfits or something for my granddaughters to put in the box. And look at the size. So this is a really decent size. They are kind of flimsy. You know, it is from the dollar store. They are not that strong, but all they're going to do is just take the bow off and open it anyway. So for $1, you get 2. So 50 cents a piece. Not bad. And also, I just wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Be safe for Black Friday. And if something does not feel right, get out of the store. You can always start your shopping online. Actually, tonight, a lot of stores are doing the pre-Black Friday shopping. So, you know, if things do not feel right when you're parking, you know, early in the morning and you're looking around and it just don't seem right, don't get out your car, pull off. That's just a PSA for all the ladies that are going out shopping today. And if you can buddy up, you know, meet a girlfriend there, you know, have your brother, your sister, you know, cousin, your nephew, your son, or your husband to go with you. It is not worth all the hype with the Black Friday shopping. And I mainly do all my shopping from home because I just can't deal with the crowds. And to be honest, I don't want to be in jail because that's just how I roll when I go out. I'm always on defense. That's how I was taught. But anyway, long story short, stay blessed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're a newbie here on the channel. I would love to have you as part of my family and friends here. And other than that, you have a blessed Thanksgiving and you take care.